Palm oil millers are under increasing pressure to both increase yield and comply with strict environmental regulations. Traditionally, millers use ponding system to manage palm oil mill effluent or POME before discharging into the river. But ponding alone could not meet low BOD discharge requirements. Alfa Laval POMEvap combines the big benefits of evaporation and separation. Raw POME from the sludge pit is pumped into the heater via a feed pump. Steam will be used as a heating medium to evaporate the water from the POME. When the POME is evaporated until the required concentration, this fraction will be pumped out as solid concentrate. The evaporated vapor then goes through a condenser, with cooling water acting as a condensing medium, and comes out as processed distillate. Millers can now comply with strict regulations and generate byproduct with potential for further oil recovery. And keep the environment free of harmful waste.